Hi everyone, today we make sweet potato starch. Cut the sweet potatoes into small pieces. Transform to a blender. Add water. And then blend well. Now we strain the mixture. During this process, we need to squeeze as much water out as possible. Keep the residue. Now we add clean water to wash the residue. You need to repeat this process at least twice. Strain again. Now you can see we get two batches of liquid this time. The first batch on the right is from the blend mixture, and the second batch on the left is from the residue. Settle the two batches of liquid for 4 hours, and then pour the water out gently. Now you can see the starch is well settled at the bottom. We need to purify the starch once. Add clean water, mix well. And strain the mixture. Now we combine two batches of starch together. Settle the mixture overnight. Pour the water out. If you find the water is not clear enough, you can change water once or twice during this process. Now we get the purified starch here. The starch can be dried naturally under sun, or you can bake it at 50 degrees C for around 1 hour. The well-dried starch can be easily smashed into powder, and you can keep this in an airtight container for quite a long time. Thanks for watching. See you next time.